Good morning, kindergarten friends. Welcome back to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today we're going to be using our Fishy workbook for 10-2, and then we're going to practice making another number in My Teen Number Book. All right? So today we're going to start talking about the next 3 teen numbers. We practiced 11, 12, and 13 in our workbook, and we practiced different ways of making it in our teen number book. Now we're going to focus on the next few numbers, 14, 15, and 16. So we're going to take a look at our 10 frames again, and we're going to be working on filling up an extra 10 frame for counting on to make 14, 15, and 16. So you can go ahead and get your pencil ready or a crayon. You can get your cubes ready. Soon we'll be using those cubes to do our building in the teen number book. But before we do that, let's start to have a conversation about making 14, 15, and 16. Do you remember what happens? What do you think right away when you see a full 10 frame? That's right. You know that it is 10. Do we have to count them all over again? Or do we just know now that this is a full 10 frame, so the number is 10? We just know now. So let's trace the number 10. That belongs to this 10 frame. And now, if I have 4 in the next 10 frame, that means I have 4 in the ones place as I'm building a new number. So I know that this is 10, and now I'm going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 10 and 4 is 14 in all. If I want to make that into an addition sentence, I would say 10 plus 4 equals 14. Great job, friends. I think you're getting the hang of this. All right, now let's take a look at number 1 star. I see a full 10 frame, so I know there's 10. So we can go ahead and label that 10. And then I see another 10 frame with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside. So this is 6 inside. So I have 10 and 6 more. How many do I have in all? Let's go ahead and count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. A 10 and 6 ones is 16 in all. So how would that look in an addition sentence? That's right. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Great job, friends. That is right. We can see that there's 10 and 6 ones. That makes 16. A 10 and 6 ones. Great job. Let's go ahead and turn the page. Let's look at the back. And I have a feeling we're going to practice the number 15. All right. So on the front, we practiced 14 and 16. And they want us to practice 14 and 16 again, but we haven't done 15 yet. So let's go ahead and try making a 15 first, and then we'll do a pick your number on the bottom, okay? Because I think it's important for us to practice 15 today. So if I want to make the number 15, I see 1 in the tens place and 5 in the ones place. So that means I'm going to have a full 10 frame, and then I'm going to build on to make 15. How many do you think will go in this extra 10 frame? 5. Great job. Let's make sure. We're going to count to 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, friends, we have a full 10 frame. There's 10 right there. There it is. I need to count to 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 extras in a new 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this frame has 5 inside. A 10 and 5 more. 10 plus 5 equals 15. A 10 and 5 ones. That's right. 10 plus 5 equals 15. Do you see the 10? All of it here. And do you see 5 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 10 and 5 ones. 15. Great job, friends. Now, for apple number 2, you can choose. All right? You can make 14 or 16. It's up to you. You get to choose. If you're going to make the number 14, how many will you have in the first 10 frame? 10. That's right. If you're going to make 14, how many are going to be in this 10 frame if this already has 10? That's right, 4 ones. Great job. If you're going to make 16, how are you going to show that in our 10 frames? You're going to have a 10, one full 10 frame, and how many ones over here? 6. That's right. So you can choose, friends. You can choose 14 or 16. I think I'm going to choose 16 because it's such a big number. I want to challenge myself. So I know I'm going to start by filling up one frame with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to label it right away because it's full. So there's my 10, and I'm counting to 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I know 10 plus 6 equals 16. A 10 and 6 ones. A 10 and 6 ones. Great job, friends. Excellent. So let's go ahead and take a look in our teen number books. All right, we're going to continue building and showing, drawing, having math talks about more numbers. So we have already completed the 11 page, and we practiced making 12 on the 12 page. We even did 13 at 10 and 3 ones. So if we turn the page, today we are going to practice making 14. So if 11 is a 10 and a 1, and 12 is a 10 and 2 ones, and I see 13 is a 10 and 3 ones, what will 14 look like, friends? That's right, a 10 and 4 ones. Excellent. Let's go ahead and build it with our cubes. So we know that one stick is already 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a 10. Now if I want 14, how many ones do I need of my next color? 4. Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got it. Now let's make sure we have 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Great job, friends. You are becoming very good mathematicians in building teen numbers. So let's color our column of 10. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All the way, all 10. And then we have 4 in the ones place, 4 ones. So let's count 4 boxes and color those. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so now it shows we have a 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So let's draw it here in our 10 frames. I'm going to use my colors that match the cube. So if I have 10 red, I'm going to make this 10 frame full with red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I need to get to 14. So how many yellow dots will I make? 4, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I built 14. I drew 14 in my 10 frame. I have a 10 and 4 ones in my place value. How would I add it? 10 plus 4. That's right. 10 plus 4 equals 14. A 10 and 4 ones. Time to color it. Any color you like, friends. How many stars will we be coloring? 14. Exactly. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10. How many more do I need? 4 more. That's right. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, and 14. Great job. Let's get ready to rainbow write our 14. You can get lots of colors, any color you like, my friends. And let's get ready to make a 10 and 4 ones. So we will begin with a 10 and 4 ones. So remember, we make a 4 by kind of making like an uppercase L and then bringing that line down. A 10 and 4 ones. Great job. Keep going. A 10 and 4 ones. A 10 and 4 ones. Say it with me. 14 is a 10 and 4 ones. That's right, friends. Keep going. A 10 and 4 ones is 14. What is 14? A 10 and 4 ones, of course. And I can make 14 by writing a 10 and 4 ones. Can you make 14 by making a 10 and 4 ones? Yes, you can. You know 14 is a 10 and 4 ones. Great job, boys and girls. The more we practice, the better and more confident we get. Thank you for helping me make the number 14 today. Tomorrow, we'll be making 15 and 16. I can't wait. See you then. Bye.